Plus, yung performance na naman ng
Pero
4050
green
versus
ka.
4060 is like what, 20% higher?
Ano yan?
Yung difference ng 4050 and 4060 is that there's a 20% difference, diba? Performance difference. Yeah. That's why. 20% is not is not small.
Ay, true. Ay, ano, recently natingin din ako ng ng mga, tawag ito, like, yung brand new na GPUs. Since recently, medyo pala punta kami ng mall ng family ko, ng friends ko. So,
Hmm.
tumitingin din ako. Ang usually on stock is mga nasa 50 series and medyo ayoko mag 50 series.
Yeah, I know. 50
Kasi
series is gonna eat up your ano talaga, power.
kasi kasi din, yung based on what I'm hearing din is hindi siya masyado worth it kasi parang onti lang yung difference niya from the 40 series.
Yeah, that's why as well I'm getting 40s.
So parang you're basically paying more for just a little bit of increase gano'n.
Mm-hmm. Actually, yan nga eh. They even marketed it. I think this was a big mistake. They said na I think the 4060 or the 4090 Ti was the same as the freaking 50 something,
Hmm.
5080. It's so dumb.
Also, ang
It's
pala,
not that big.
I'm streaming na pala. I forgot to mention.
Yes,
Kakasimula lang. Pero
yes.
go lang.
Pero yun nga. There isn't really much of a difference. That's why the marketing for that thing is so bad. The 50
Uh,
series. That's why
eh,
if you're gonna plan to upgrade, just go straight to 60 na lang.
yeah, I'm planning on, like, either, if kayanin ng pasensya ko talaga, mag 40 ako. Pero, I guess go for RX 6600 muna. Since,
Mm-hmm.
medyo, I don't have a job
I
yet.
mean,
Currently.
same. I mean, like in the 30 series naman it's what do you call this? The performance naman of the 30 series is still really really good
That's why din. Kaya yung 30 series ang ko kasi di mo na ako masyadong on AAA games.
Yeah,
Like,
the only reason why I'm going for 40 is because I will do AAA games.
okay.
Plus multi-stream, plus
Welcome to
probably
Shin
a second
Vanti, welcome to
monitor,
Shimako.
plus, Vanti.
Yeah, Vanti's here. Hi,
Hi,
welcome to
Vanti.
Shimako.
Wala si Vanti.
Hi, sir, can I join? Modded to, is it okay with you?
Ay, nag-repo pala si Ate Zia.
Yeah,
Yeah.
repo.
Sure, what mod? Actually, maraming mods to eh. When I'm playing solo kasi I use a lot of mods. Pero, sige wait, I'll go to the main menu. I'll set up a new profile. I guess yung extraction point button, um, yung better sprint, shared upgrades, then ano pa ba? Show enemy health, ganun. I'll make a new prof. Who are you with? I'm playing alone, pero nasa VC ako ni Avi. And I'm with Trixie as well. Uh, wait, settings nga muna tayo. New change profile. Wait, new. Profile. Oh, that's why I heard. Trixie.
Yes.
Sabi ni Vandy, oh, that's why I heard an annoying grafting voice.
Son of a
Can I join call? Go. Nasa public stream kami kay Abby.
an annoying what voice?
Ano ba siya
Grating
sa sumo?
voice.
Greeting voice. Ha 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 ha.
Kailangan ko na lang.
Uh, wait. Ayun. Could you ask Ate Abby if I join? Pwede daw, Abby, pwede daw ba mag-join si Vanty?
Pwede talaga. Sana invite mo na.
Sige, I'll send the invite sa'yo, tawag na to, Vanty. Hindi ako makapag-invite, Abby.
Ay, wait. Sorry po. Wait lang.
Go lang.
Did they cut the dancing?
Create
Yan.
screen.
I think I did.
Hello, Azim. Welcome to stream ako. Extraction point button. Ano ba ba sinabi ko kanina? Kalimutan ko na. Shared upgrades, enemy help.
Nasend ko na yung invite.
Nasaan na daw Banti? Ay, wala. Right. Tapos, enemy help.
Oh my God, lagot talaga ako.
Hala. Why?
It's literally 3
Saan?
in the morning. Tapos may Christmas party pa akong sasalihan bukas.
Anong oras? Hello, Laguna trip ako na shield. Anong oras Abby?
Ha?
Anong oras?
Maaga kasi yung bunsong kapatid sa elementary. Alam naman natin anong oras yan.
Ay, expect mo na Filipino time. As usual. Kanina ka Filipino time 9 o'clock, 9 to 12 dapat kami. Ano oras kami? 10:30 to to 1:30 to 2 o'clock. Diba ang gara?
Ayan.
Okay, ayan. Why is it not loading? Ayan. Ayan.
Who can say I've been changed for the better, but cause I knew you, I have been changed. Hi, Vanti.
Hello, Banti.
Hi.
Private
Leave na ako. Dito
game.
si Kuya Trixie.
Ano sinabi? This guy. Ay, nako.
I'm joking. I love you.
You're so mean. You're so
Ay.
mean, Vanti. I don't want to
Oh.
play with you anymore.
Okay, cry.
Uh.
Ew. God. Hi, Ate Abby. Hi, Kuya Zed.
Hello.
Hi, Kuya Trixie, I guess. I don't know. Hi.
Wow.
Ay, grabe
I'm
naman.
joking, I'm joking, I'm joking.
Hi, I guess. It's not
Hi,
like
I
it's not like I acknowledge you or
Sana-
anything.
Oh.
Hmm.
I thought you were gonna sing that song, you know?
It's not that I like you or anything.
Oh, so we all know that song?
Yes.
Also, waiting na ako dito sa in-game.
Love that I wanna smack.
Kuya Zed?
Yeah.
Can we just use same upgrade? And yeah,
Yeah, may shared upgrade ako nilagay.
okay.
No
Can
worries.
we just do that, you know, for the fun?
Go! Shared upgrades na meron ako dito.
Yan lang? Yan lang meron?
Shared upgrades, better sprint, extraction point button, plus enemy health. Show enemy health.
Oh, can I, ano? Ano yung extraction button?
Yung parang hindi, 'di ba, pagkalagpas ng, ng quota, 'di ba, mag-automatic na mag-close yung
Mas fun yung di ba? Yung mapapanik kang hindi kasha yung
Wag na, sasakit lang ulo ko. Tataas ng BP ko
Yun nga point
dun.
ng game, di ba? Sige, wait. Sige, wait lang. Teka lang. Repo. Nalaga ako sa I use GeForce now. Pero, sige, hindi naman ako sa stream, so.
Adrixie, ask ko lang, are you using TTLS to stream ba or OBS?
OBS, but recently since I'm out, my internet's gone, right? I have to use TTLS floating chat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can't use my phone anymore to read chat.
Problem. Ewan ko ba, I'm only going back to TTLS for Valo. Kasi, I don't know why, pero recently, but sobrang lagi ng Valo.
Sa
Sa,
OBS?
sa OBS, nagbo-blue screen yung Valo. Nagbo-blue screen
What?
ako. Sa TTLS, lagi naman, pero hindi nagbo-blue screen. So, pinagtsatsagaan ko lang sa TTLS.
TTLS TikTok Live Studio.
Yeah.
Oh,
Malag
damn.
dun.
Pero,
Oh,
It
What's
is
yan ba?
laggy as hell though.
What's your GPU, kuya?
IGP yung ano sa akin eh. Ryzen 5 5600G.
G.
Yun yung CPU.
Is G?
Hindi,
No,
no,
that's
yun na-
CPU.
Yeah, yun nga, IGP. Integrated GPU.
Ugh.
So,
Agaway, sorry naman, bibili pa nga ni... Nag-iipon pa.
hindi ba, wait lang, is it a laptop? I thought, di ba Ryzen
No,
5 is usually paired with either Radeon graphics?
Yeah, it's Radeon Vega 7 ata to.
Exactly, that's my question. Oh my god.
Hindi ko naman kasi kabisado. Kaya nga sabi ko 7 ata.
Is it this one? Extraction point confirm button?
Yeah.
Sure
Wait, saan
ka, yun na.
Send ko na lang yung SS.
Saan ba yan? Ay, sige na. Punyeta, 3 AM nag-ano. Ay, sorry, nakasing pala.
Go lang.
Are you a non-swearing on live or?
Hell na, I swear a lot.
Hell
swear,
fucking
okay.
yeah, let's go.
Can I swear?
Go! Tangina, sa repo sa Valorant ka, mura ka ako ng mura dun.
Yeah, di ba? Hindi ako nababan doon, pero sa mga puki ng
Go.
sa mga
Go lang.
sa mga like
Mura
little
ka ba?
things I get restricted.
La.
There's this one time a commenter said that the Chinese are gonna attack the Philippines, and I replied to them saying, "Oh, that's not gonna happen because you know, yada yada yada, like that, and then TikTok banned me."
Oh my
Restricted.
god.
I mean, let's be honest, what country does... Singapore nga pala. Tama ba?
It is Singaporean, no?
Is it Singaporean ba? TikTok or what?
No.
The
what?
owner is Singaporean, but I think the
Oh yeah.
I think it
the
is
owner
Singaporean, no?
Okay.
yes. Senator, I'm Singaporean.
Senator, I'm Singaporean.
Singaporean.
Oh my god, you can
Water.
do the fucking.
What is your connection to? What is your connection to the CCP? But Senator, I'm Singaporean.
Fucking
So
US
dumb.
government. Oh, okay, I can't say that.
Oh no, we've been saying that on Abby's chat.
Oh,
What?
fucking US
Yeah,
government.
joke lang.
Kaya.
Oh no.
Kanina
Fucking
kanina pa kami niyan.
Basta America, we don't like it. What? Pause. Just
Nababash
kidding.
kami ng
In game. America in game.
I
Diba?
mean,
Yeah.
sure.
Ate Zed.
Wow.
Nakakapaglipat ka ng tao from one DC to another dito sa server ko.
Try ko sa'yo.
Permission ka. Go.
Wala.
Aya.
Wait, Ate Abby.
Thank you for the follow
Yeah.
me, Yuki. Wakudoshima.
Have your have my friend messaged you?
Nope.
No?
Yep.
Oh.
Gawin na lang kitang admin Zed.
Bro, kusan ka ba sa'yo?
Okay, ito na, lalagin ko na.
I have to do one last live before I go. Vanti, I'm gone until January.
You're gonna what?
I'm gone until January.
Okay. Okay ko.
Sige, diwag, wag na, sige. It's not like I care enough about you to tell you anyway. Sige, okay
Yeah.
lang.
I'm joking.
You're so mean to me always.
Why are you gone till January?
Christmas break. I gotta go home.
That doesn't
My
explain
PC is at
things.
my
I know
condo.
it's
No,
Christmas break, you
My
fucking
PC
dumbass.
is at My PC is at my condo. I have to go home for the whole duration.
Oh my
And my
Oh,
desk is also
yaman.
here. So I can't. Wow,
Okay.
yaman daw, ano ba yun?
Okay.
But yeah, there. I can't use my PC for live. So I'm
Oh.
clipping
You can touch
everything. Yeah, I'm gonna touch grass. I'm clipping everything so I can like post them once a day or something while I'm gone. And I have until like tonight, today, because I'm leaving.
Mm.
Ah,
What's your usual streaming time ba?
whenever I'm awake. Hell
Okay.
yeah. 24/7. De joke lang. Probably like afternoons.
Mm.
Afternoons and like night until morning. And then I take
Oh.
a short nap and then some food breaks and then I go back.
Ano ka ba? Like college student or working?
Yeah,
Oh,
college,
okay, okay.
third year.
Wait, my
Oh,
thunder store isn't working.
go lang.
Your third year? How old are you?
Yeah, 21.
21? No one has to know, baby girl.
Huh?
What the?
What? You don't
What?
know that meme? Oh my god! Does anybody not know that meme? Oh god.
Ah,
What is
okay.
that?
Naalala ko na.
It's actually you're 20? No one has to know, baby girl.
Eh?
Oh my god.
It's from Vine, di ba?
No, I'm not sure if it's from Vine, but it's this boy in a game. I feel like it was an FPS game, and he was asking someone, "How old are you?" A girl, and then the girl said 20, and then he says, "No, 20." No one has to know, baby girl.
Ah, okay. Medyo na. Okay.
Oh my.
Yeah,
Okay,
ito
I
na.
have the perfect emoji for this.
Hello, okay. Ako Roshi ako.
Look at the VC chat.
Is that you?
True.
It's me.
I knew it. You were a twink.
I'm not denying that.
Oh, okay.
I actually do have a twink
Okay.
build
I
IRL.
can be your what you call this? Do you want to I'm just gonna shut the fuck up.
No, yo, go on. Keep going.
What?
Oh,
What are you gonna say?
I'm leaving the call.
Yeah, that's right. Ah! Let's go. I out weirded. Were you out weirded, Fanti?
I hate you.
Hello,
Sorry.
Roshi ako.
Ayaw nung kuya, wag na tayo mag-modded. Ayaw niya.
Ano ba yan? Ako naman mag-host eh. Sumali ka na lang. Pwede naman yun eh. Kasi ako yung basta ako yung mag-handle nung updates, I think. Kasi nung nag-modded yung nag-repo tayo, hindi naman modded yun, pero gumagana yung shared upgrades.
Joke lang, ito na palang bobo ko. Wait lang, mali-mali yung naano ko. Sorry.
Ano ba naman yan?
Pasensya. Wait lang po. Lutang 3 AM.
3M.
TLS, VTube, Infinity, Spotify.
Oh my.
Should I set up my voice mod then? I have voice mod.
Oo.
Yung lifetime.
Yeah, voice mod. Sige nga.
I do have I do have lifetime for it. Wait. It will. Yo. It will. Di wag na.
Hello, Tiro. Roshi.
I think they got traumatized, you know?
I shall comment nothing.
I have been changed. Oh, I'm gonna ask you next if we could do a cover again after this. Hindi ko pa napopost yung isang cover namin kasi hindi pa tapos yung art na pinaka-commission ko with someone.
Oh.
Wait lang, let me show you the, hindi pa kasi nag-register eh.
Yo, diba voice mod, voice changers and all that stuff, they rely on GPU, right?
I think so.
Alright, nice.
You guys wanna see the art? The current art?
Yeah.
The sketch? Yes. Look at my camera.
Nah, I don't wanna. I'm joking. Is that Nyx?
Oh my. Yes.
This is Nyx. This is me. I'm
Oh, it's so
supposed to
cute.
be Hikaru. It's from the anime The Summer Hikaru Died. I don't know if you'll know that.
Oh, that! I watched it. Yeah.
静かに夢を見てごらん密かに That song? You know that song? 探し求めてごらん過ぎ去った明かりは戻らなくともこの胸を踊らせる未来こそ 今嬉しさよ友よ輝うあの日々の影
I had my VTube,
Ano
my voice
Wait
mod
lang,
ready
share lang ako
sana
since ano.
for the
Kasi this is
McDonald's stream.
Bagal, ang bagal.
Sayang, I
May
should have
sinasabi
used
ka,
this
Banti?
voice for the
Wala, sabi ko, I love you so much.
Oh. I'm reviewing the mod later.
What the fuck?
It's for the McDonald's sana.
Welcome to McDonald's. What's your order?
And my little just chatting stream.
Do you know
sana.
that meme that goes like 50 fries, 50 burgers, 50 burgers?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, and then it's like, wait for the next person. Get away, move away!
I love that. I think it's from a TV show, as far as I can remember.
No, it was a skit.
Oh, it was a
it was a
skit?
skit,
It's not a
yeah.
TV show? Yeah.
Sir, the driver
swerves
ahead
around
said
and
he's
then,
not
get
gonna
out! I'm
pay.
trying to do something. Then he goes to the drive-thru again. And says 55 fries, 50 burgers, 50 fries. Love that. I'm gonna scroll through TikTok. Sorry.
I'm back. Let's start. Hello. Tara na, Banti.
Tara na po.
Okay.
Hindi ba tayo mag-in-game mic? Sige, huwag na tayo mag-in-game mic.
Nandito na
Ay,
tayo.
Manti.
Lalagpit si Kuya Trixie yun.
Ah,
Ureshi sayo tomo yo Nagayo ano hibi no kage Oikake mawaru
Ah,
Shiawase yo tomo yo I have a
us-
camera. I'm
I
gonna,
have
I'm
a
gonna
camera
flash
as well.
you. I'm gonna flash you.
hello? Please no.
I'm gonna flash you. I'm joking. Yo, Kuya Tricks. I have a joke.
what's your joke?
What the? I'm not gonna tell you. Your voice.
Yeah,
sounds-
that's right.
Ew,
Joke
you
lang.
sound like
What?
AI slop. Oh my
What?
god.
What do you want? What?
You? I mean, a joke?
Yo.
Yo.
What's your joke? Yeah.
Hell. Okay, so,
Sorry.
ano ang pagkakaparehas ng otot at saka tula?
Oh my god. that's
Ano?
Nanggagaling sila sa puwet.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Ate! Kuya, there's a scythe! There's a scythe girl!
What?
There's the scythe girl that came in the door.
Ah, the Reaper. Okay.
It's okay. I'm gonna do my just chatting live. Bye bye, guys. I'm not gonna edit anymore.
Wow,
Ay,
okay, just say you hate just say you hate me, man. It's okay.
I hate you, Vanti.
Wow, is it because I'm gay? Okay, I'm
No.
gonna make a Google document out of you now.
Wow.
I hate you because you wouldn't let me hit.
Hello.
What the
What?
fuck? Yo, chill, man.
Yo.
Yo, when you come back, Kuya, let's do a collab.
Alright, Dad.
Maybe Repo,
Yes.
so we can
definitely.
give back shots to each other, you know?
Yo! What? Yo, calm
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm
down.
dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Okay, I'm done for that. Anyways, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
8 though! Fuck you way! Ako naman ang tinarget.
It's ano, diba? Line of sight.
Hello, damn. Hello, Castle on. Welcome to Shimako.
Can you backshot me?
I'm the one who needs back shots.
No, I have 30 health.
And I have 70. I did not help more than you, let's be honest.
Fuck you. let's go.
Anything here? That fucking phone.
Where is it?
It's on the ref. I didn't get it. Mamaya ko na lang kunin pag ano, pagpabalik na tayo. Thank you for the follow, Castle. Thank you, very much appreciated. How's your evening? How's your morning pala?
Thank you for the follow.
Is there anything here? No.
No.
Oh, it's going back. It's going back. It's going back. It's going back. Kira Ivy, welcome to the stream. Thank you for liking the live ticket. Thank you, very much appreciated. Ahem. Oh my god, it's Elsa.
Went that way.
Yeah, I saw. I feel like there's going to be a large item.
If I die, you got this.
Huh?
If I die, you got this.
Oh my god. There's a large
There's like
item
one
here.
large.
Wait. Don't, ano muna. Let's check muna kung may mas mga items pa. Nada. Okay. Hello, Kian Maharushi. I can drag this.
Wait lang. Inaayos ko yung ano. Sige, game. Tara.
There's also a PC dito.
Ilagay muna natin.
Yes. Wait.
Yan. Yan. Nice. Nahulog yan, siguro.
Wait. I think okay na din siguro. I'll bring
Yung
the
PC.
PC. You bring the cart.
Girl, mamamatay tayo. Try mong ilagay, actually.
Wait. Kasha ba dyan?
Pili ko. Dito, try mong isiksik. Oh.
Oh.
Almost.
There we go.
Just fits right in.
Yeah. Let's go. May extraction point button ka, diba? Hello, Zanti. Welcome to Shima. Welcome.
Yes.
Okay.
Meron dyan na.
Yeah. Sige, ikaw muna para you can check. Okay, I'm gonna grab something dito. I forgot.
Wala dito, hurry up.
Okay. May phone kasi dito. Inuuli ko palagi yung phone.
Kasi maingay.
Oh. See? Nice one.
Uy, pipindutin. Ay,
Di pa.
napindut na.
Ayan. Pag tapos na yung pag-collect ng money, doon lang pipindutin.
Hindi, yung pindut ng extraction.
Hindi, yun nga. Napindot ko nga.
Ay, napindut mo.
Oh. Okay, nice first round. Excuse me. Photon blaster? Nah, why? How much yung health mo?
Ha? 80.
80? Okay. 3, 3, 3.
Let's do...
Stamina and strength. Tapos
Yeah.
wala namang ano eh, wala namang barrel. Sprint speed pala. Oh, puro sprint speed pala. Shit.
Walang stamina. Humble climb. Oh, it's not worth it for now.
I guess we can take another speed or save up na lang natin.
Sige. Kunin mo na yun. I'm gonna sleep 4 a.m.
Okay lang.
Late ako magising po.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, oh my god, I have been changed for good. Saan yung button?
Ito.
Saan?
Ito, sa tinatalunan ko.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Oh
Gago.
no. Seryoso?
Oo, hindi.
Ala. Ano? So, ibig sabihin, pag namatay ako, ulit tayo.
Hindi, baka hindi mo gaano siguro sa akin. Baka hindi kailangan ng button pag ako.
Sana, hindi. I'll just try not to die. Just in case.
Yes.
Wala pa ata item dito. Why is it showing na meron? Ito. Hello kami, hawak Lurshim ako. Banti, behind you. Banti,
Oh,
I'm behind you.
bakit?
Nasa likod mo ako. Dadalish mo na dyan? Sige.
Kala ko merong ano.
kasi
Hindi
kala
ako
ko-
tumatalikod eh.
May huntsman dito.
Ano kami naman tayo?
Pero
Saan?
yung footsteps pa rin natin.
Saan? Left or right?
Kung yung ano, yung sa paikot. Aha.
Oh.
Mali na click ko. Why are you taking your time? Wala kasi tayong parel eh.
Nangangawit na yung control ko.
Ha?
Nangangawit na yung kamay. Ay,
Why?
pataba ka na. Oh,
Why is he always here?
There's an item here.
Yeah, I saw. Let's bring that muna sa ano, sa extraction point. Ah, hotdog. Hotdog. No, hotdog yung sabi ko.
Putang ina mo. Wala tayong coordinate.
Agay! Okay, paikot.
Here. I can't see.
Agay!
I can't see where I'm going, bro.
Okay, ako nasa likod. Agay! 6K to kanina.
Kaya nga eh. Anyway. Ano na.
Excuse me. Check muna natin yung room dito sa right side.
You missed 2 items.
Because there's also an item here. Hello, Lin. Welcome. Oh, there's a lot of items
Wait.
here.
3K.
Hehehe. Balik ko na to sa extraction point para may space tayo dyan.
Sige.
Thank you for the follow, Lin. Thank you. Very much appreciate it. How's your morning? How are you? Hello, it's Dondi. Welcome to stream as well. Welcome. Wait, may isang item pa dito. Palapit nga nung card. Sige ako na.
Gulat ako sa'yo.
Sorry naman.
Wala na dito.
Wala na dyan?
Wala na.
Okay. Let's go to the other room. OMG, is it morning? Yes, it's 3 o'clock. Ah, no, 3, yeah, 3:24. In other people's standards, it's already morning, but for me, it's still like evening.
Girl, may shortcut doon kanina.
Hindi, i-check ko na yung ibang rooms.
Ay, okay.
I like your model, it's pretty. Thank you. Thank you for, oh, there's a big item here. Very much appreciated.
Mamaya na. Andun
Oh.
na sa... andun na yun.
Sa second extraction point. Sabi ko lang naman. Anything here except dun sa malaking item? Nada.
Sige, you
Well-
extracted ay ano, activate this.
Sige. Ikunin ko na din to. There we go. Pero yeah, how's your morning, Lynn? How are you? Medyo late. My stream is a bit late now since I woke up at around 11 p.m. And yeah, and I just finished eating dinner at around. Ay. Ayan. May item pa pala dito. Hello, Holly Lorray. Welcome to stream. Welcome. Titignan ko pala kung how much yung Project Zomboid. Fix this up. There we go. Bam, bam. Okay. I'll probably just
I think-
do andito yung huntsman. I'll probably just do
Pero-
a short stream muna ngayon. Maybe.
Sige, wait, huwag ka pupunta dito.
Ano meron yun? Actually, malayo pa ako. Sa may bar area ako eh. Oh my god, my eye. My eye, my eye, my eye.
Yan, nalagay ko na yung diamond. Diamond.
Okay.
Ano yan? Ba't may nalagay minus 25?
Nahulog siya sa sahig.
Yung alin?
Yung tong huntsman.
Ay, okay. I think that's all.
Yeah, tong money bag na lang. Ay, I'm trying not to die kasi I'm only one shot left. Okay. Diba, kahit mauna ka na sa cart. Sa truck, I mean. Ingatan lang dyan, nandyan yung system. Go, 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 go. Ay.
Yan, it is spawn. Ay, wala. Meron ba ba?
Diyan
Meron
pa,
pa,
dyan.
meron pa,
Ayan na,
meron
yan na.
pa. Ayun.
Nice.
Ganda na.
Please give me a gun.
I think that's last game for me. I'm gonna go
Okay.
sleep now.
Bye bye. Good night,
Bye-bye.
Banky.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night, man. Bye.
Bye bye. Oh. So, turn this off. Matulog na si Alvi. So, I shall move her muna. Ayan. Tapos ako, ay lilipat na ako sa server ko. There we go. And I'll switch my profile. Mali. Yan. Change profile to QOL na naman. Ay, I'll probably play one more round, then I'll probably go to sleep now. Probably. No oras na ba? 3:32. Maybe probably around 4:30. I'll go now. Hello, Nagami. Welcome. How are you? How's your morning? There we go. Single player in this level. Please let it not be ano, a what you call that? Yung ano, yung loom. Ayun. Ay, guy. Mali yun na. Dalawa. And this. Ah? Sure, I'll bring this to now. Just in case. Ah, fuck. We're starting with this one. Ito yung ayoko pag ano eh. Pag start ng ano. Ng level. Yung paba. Yung hallway. Excuse me. Next round, I'm buying like a lot of strength upgrades. I think I only have one strength ngayon. So I could probably buy like up until 10, 10 ano? 10 strength upgrades. Okay, malapit lang yung second extraction point. Saying fuck for that. One moment. Just dito. Here's the outdoors. Oh, there's an old style camera. I'll put this extraction point. There we fucking go. Where the fuck is the bitch? Nosy ass bitch. Okay, yeah. At least I already killed two of the monsters. Asan yung camera? Oh my god, did they actually bring, oh no, we did not. We just kicked it out. Uh, oh god. Hello, Fini. Welcome. Welcome. There's a glow. Nothing here. Nothing there. Ah, fuck. Sorry guys. I still have a bit of a cold. I mean, I always do during December. I like around this time of the year though. So it's just expected na. Hello, Sarah Nagame. Welcome. Another frog and a compass. Anything here? A teapot and a cup. Those kind of version of Hong Kong. Probably entry na lang after this level. Probably. As usual, indecisive ako. Eh, basement muna. Ah, okay, so TV and the call that the music thing. Uh, y'all saw nothing. Y'all saw fucking nothing. Why is it so fucking hard to lift this up? Not you. I'll move this and move this. Oh, for fuck's sake, move. Ayan. I'll put the feather drone there. That's chocolate here. Kasha ba to? Kasha? Question mark. What the fuck was that? I'll get... Shit, there's more small items here. Question, is this an extraction point? No. Is this an extraction point? Please let it be an extraction point. It is an extraction point. Nice. I can leave all this shit here muna. Although it's kind of risky. Pero sige. Not this. Where's the... Not you. Putang ina. You. Hello, Ron. Mapanood ako. Put you there. Go, John. You here. Buti na lang dyan yung extraction point. So that's 3 extraction points na. Oh, something went here. Where is it? Also bring this dun sa kabila. Go, for fuck's sake. Ayan. Ang ina mo! Those little shits are so hard to fucking shoot. I don't know how. I don't know why. Not there. Dito pala. Is this fucking music box again? Ah, fuck. Ay! Ang ina nyo. I hate those, yung nanghablot ng ulo, putix. Out of all the enemies, those are like the most annoying. Can I like point this towards me? Puta. Wag na, tangina. Excuse me. Ah, fuck. Where the fuck did that fall? Do I really need to buy a new, to buy a new, what you call that? Mouse? Tangina. I don't wanna buy new shit pa. Fuck was that? Why is there so many globes? I don't think there's anything here. Or let's check the chest muna. I have more risk falling down this holes than actually getting killed by monsters. Hindi ka naman ako mamatay dun. And they are spawning once again. Pero okay lang. Let mo sa bashers. Charot. Ang dami mga bilog putix. Why is there so many globes? Ano sa taas? Hello, Jasper Garushi. Welcome. Hello, how are you? Kamusta? Ayun. Excuse me. Oh no, may base dito. So, akin yung ko? Pistol ko. Nahulog ba pistol ko? Oh my god. Nahulog nga. Ah, fuck. Fine. Oh, may ano pa dun. Hello, Rita Channel. Version. Any small items? Nope. Oh, fuck. It's this fucking room. Small items na inuuna ko eh. As usual. Okay, final extraction point dito. Ah. Hello langit, Wagadoshi, welcome. May ko lang ito sa extraction point. Ah! Ay, 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 ay. Kasi puro bola to. Ayan, tangina. Babalikan ko yan. Hello Isabella, Wagadoshi, welcome. How are you? Diretso na to, no? Yeah. Arigato. Ay! Huwag na kukunin yan, puto. Ay, if it weren't for the risk of falling, kinuha ko pa yung mga small item. Pero sige. Ayan. Ay. Arigato. Ayun, may pulse pistol. Nice. Ano yung isang item dito? Hindi ako kinuha dito. Ah, ito. Tapos ako muna yung ano. Yung... Hindi. Maliit naman ito. I can put this muna. There. Para heli. Hello, Mira. Welcome sa stream. Kamusta? Visit na si Paul. No. Ba't ako papapahirapan sa sarili ko? Okay. Go. Tapos... Ah. Ano pa? And there. Okay. Hello, Kimpi. Bawarushim ako. There's a teapot here. Well, may Warushim ako. Cloud here. I still have to check this out. Nothing. What the? Ayun. This is probably my last game na lang. I'll just stream ulit later pala. So I'm not sure what time, but tingnan na natin. Yan, dali ko na nga to. Dito lang naman yun. Hello, Min! Welcome to the stream! Welcome! Kamusta? How are you? Grabe, gising pa siya. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi anong oras ako nagising kanina? 11 o'clock. Thank you for like the live, Min. Thank you. Kamusta pala? Kamusta? How are you? Ito yan yung dinner ko kanina. Pancit Canton. Gaya-gaya ka, charot. Pero yeah, yan yung dinner ko kanina. Problem ko lang ngayon is may sipon ako. Kaya sorry na lang kung narinig ako nasing. Ay! You spawn once again? How dare you? Naging copycat pa nga. Sorry, ano lang naman, charot-charot lang. Pero yun nga, kamusta ka? Kamusta? How have you been? Kasi sumabog kanina. At medyo recovery kasi nagkagaling na sa atin. Wala, lahat tayo nagkasakit. Ano nung sakit mo, if you don't mind me asking? Ganyan na lang. So, sila at least, agoy. Buti at least, ngayon, okay na! At least ngayon, okay na. Tayo, tanong ko lang, Christmas break nyo na ba ngayon? Or... Hello Joshua, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Yours in second week pa. Sana all kaka-Christmas party lang namin kanina eh. Tapos ayun. Kaya nagising ako around isang oras ng tulog ko kanina, tapos umalis ako ng bahay 9:30 AM. Tapos umuwi ako mga 3 o'clock, natulog ako until 4 o'clock. Gising ko na 11 o'clock. Kaya ngayon gising pa ako ngayon. Medyo fucked up na yung tulog eh, pero mapakils. Okay lang yan, at least sobrang aga balik sa klase. Ako na, August tuloy. September, putang ina. Sana January 5 yung balik namin. Sunundan ng school namin yung yung schedule ng DepEd. Kahit hindi naman talaga kami DepEd. Kami, TESDA. Pero wala eh. Ay, same lang pala. Yes. Ano ba ang likot? Hello, Lynn. Welcome back. Welcome back to the stream. And Hazen, welcome as well. Pero yun nga. Tanong ko lang, nagawa mo na yan, yung bagong story sa HSR? Di pa, okay. Di ko pa kasi nagagawa din eh. Sabi daw 4 hours daw yun eh. Tinatanong ko nga if sa iba if na sinunod nila para lang nalaman if mahaba o hindi. Yeah, 4 hours siya. Sabi nung friend ko, na streamer din. Tang ina mo! Kahit kailan talagang hinayupak ka, tang ina mo, ikaw pinaka-ayaw sa lahat ng putang na tigas ka, tang ina mo, hinayupak, putang ina mo, hindi ka malang mama mo. Okay, back to the topic. Ayun nga, baka bukas gawin ko na yung story. Kasi mahilig naman ako mag-skip. Ayun lang pala eh. Madali na yun para sa'yo. Mabilisan na yun. Patapos ka lang mag-diverge kanina. Okay. Ako naman usually kasi ginagawa ko yung weeklies every Monday eh. Kaya, ayun. Kaya tapos ko na siya eh. Dito wala masyadong item dito. Yun. Tangina, may dal pa pala dito. Wag na nga yan, tangina. Agay. Hindi, medyo delicates. Ano sa natama ko na siya? Except nga pala sa HSR na po mga nilalaro mo. Ay na, mawala ka na. Magabal ka, uy. Agay, basag ang mga orbs, tang ina ka talaga nung head ng putang inang clean up ko na yan, tang ina mo, parang kala mo pakaganda, tang ina mo. Fuck you. Ang hindi mahal ng nanay, putang ina, meron na naman. Dead sa bashers, tang ina nyo. Ay, Diyos ko, malalobat ka pa. Wala bang outlet dyan, charot? Ah, visit na si Pon. Wala nang orb yun, nakatatlong beses ko na napatay eh. Ayan na naman kayong mga gnomes kayo, tangina nyo. Pantak na nga kayo, babawi na lang kayo sa ugali, hindi nyo pa magawa. Hindi ko na kukunin yung dal dun, tangina. Baka after ito, mag-stream na ako, may bibisa tayong streamer. Ayan, almost 100k siya. Actually, no, 100k niya. Tangina, tulad ng mga pandak. Hoy, pandak! Higa dito. Ayan. Hello, Waffle Leo. Wako doon siya makamatang. Then, dun sa ano, sa dal. Hirap-hirap kunin nun eh. Dito yung mahirap. Putik. Don't scroll na ulit ako, happy shaming. Okay, man. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you. When kaya next stream mo? Charot. Hello, Kelsey. Welcome to the show. Welcome. Nag-rage ko. Na isa lang. Hello, Aki. Welcome to the show. Welcome. And Shani, welcome to the stream as well. Hi, Kuya. Hello, Shani. Good morning. And Aki, welcome as well, guys. Kamusta kayo? How are you all? Sorry, medyo late na yung stream ko. Ano? Natulog ako, tas 11 o'clock na ako nagising. Nagdalawang isip pa yan ako na ano, kung kakain ba o hindi. Let's get this out of the way. Pero yun guys, kamusta kayo? How are you all? We have simbang gabi today. Uy, good na. Sige, ingat ka, ingat. And sana mag-enjoy ka. Nga pala, nagsimula na nga pala simbang gabi, no? There we go. Pero yun. Sa mga magsisimbang gabi dyan, ingat kayo. And enjoy. Sinisipon pa rin ako. Guy, di man na nag-shoot. Hello, KR. Water stream ako. Okay, last extraction point. Wala na kayong binaba anong orb visit. Broke ass. Charot. Ay, matapos na sa level na to. Paldo, 169. Uy, 69. Ah, ah. Sakit ng likod ko. Okay, time to get the ano. Not the gun. Strength upgrades. Hopefully I have enough for 13 of them. Range, no. One, two, three. Four, five. Yun lang meron? We only have 5 strength? What the fuck? Seryoso? Ang ina. Iwag. Ano na to? Malaki iwakan ba? Range. Why na po kuya, have a fun stream. Thank you, Shani. Thank you. Ingat ulit ha, ingat. Hello, Libidity. Baka nag-stream ako. Thank you for sharing the live, Shani. Thank you. That's 5. Hindi 6 upgrade. 6 strength na. Dalawang, ano. Marami-rami pa to. Diyos ko. Speed. Nag-apat na speed siguro. Apat na speed. Dalawang speed. Tama. Tapos, naman yung isang upgrade na to. Magkano yung isang speed? 40. Okay, 60k na no. Pang health. Tapos 10. Ano ba? 1880. $6K na lang. Na mabibili natin sa 6K. Crouch rest? May crouch rest na ba ako? Wala pa. So, puro upgrades talaga eh. Pero yeah, I think that's going to be the last game na muna of Repo for tonight. Tonight, basta yun. So, ayun, I'll just see you all tomorrow. Later pala. I'll probably stream Valorant. If not Valorant, Repo. Kasi I'm still thinking of magana ba ako eh. Sasali ba ako sa isang Minecraft server, gagawa ng i-continue ko bago yung server ko. Magbabagong, ano ba ako? What you call that? Like bagong season ng server, or do I just start a single player world? So, yeah. Hello sa Yuri, welcome sa stream. Mag-end, super late na. Yeah, pero late din kasi ako nagising, 11 o'clock. Pero yeah, I'm about to end na kasi may pupuntahan pa akong streamer. So, yeah. Bye-bye everyone. You playing alone? Yeah. Pero kanina, sumali si Vanti kanina. Nung nagsimula ako. Tapos around 3:30, umalis na siya. So, yeah. Bye-bye sa Yuri. Are you at work ba ngayon, Sayo? Or, nah? I'm assuming you are kasi gising ka pa ngayon. Pero yeah. Sige, bye-bye. If you're at work, ingat sa work. If you're at home, ingat pa din, okay? Bye-bye everyone. Good night, good night. Bye-bye. Thank you to everyone who followed, who everyone liked. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye.